fighter.
So it's been quite a while since we've reviewed a game. I think the last time we did it was the Telltale Batman episodes. Today we're talking about Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games Tokyo 2020. This is for the Nintendo Switch, and now we're getting ready for the Olympics next year. We've had a few weeks to check it out, courtesy to the folks over at Sega, and this is our take on it. There's a total of 30 events that you can play. You got like 20 3D events and 10 old school 2D events. So this brings forth the new sporting events as well, like skateboarding, surfing, sports climbing, and karate. So combining the two worlds of Mario and Sonic, you got pretty much all these characters. Each character brings a different aspect to each of the games. Some obviously being more faster, and others being more all around, and then just different advantages that each character brings to the table. So in regards to the game itself, you got Quick Match, which allows you to play whatever event you want to in either single mode or multiplayer mode. Story mode gives you the plot of Dr. Eggman and Bowser trying to trap Mario and Sonic, but accidentally traps them as well as themselves into an older game console. With that gives you the 2D effect. So it's this older game console, so you look like old school Super Mario Brothers, the original Nintendo Super Mario Brothers. So shorter Bowser, Mario Brothers, and as far as Sonic, you go back to the original Sonic the Hedgehog back on the Sega Genesis. So the story mode, there's a lot of talking in between events. It's informative, it's not just talking. It gives you a lot of details of the last time the Olympics were held in Tokyo, which is back in 1964 for their Summer Olympics. For those of you who feel like working up a sweat, take the Joy-Cons off and you can get some Wii action, especially if you're playing tennis or boxing and different stuff. So I spent most of my time in the Quick Match to kind of have my pick of the litter. My favorite events was boxing, karate, skateboarding, and javelin throw. So I would definitely call it minigame heaven. You can play by yourself, with a partner, you can go online, or you could just host like a little mini game, host a game night. Or if you have kids, this would be something that they could play and compete in. If you're into it, check it out. It's out today, Nintendo Switch. Head over to the site. You'll see if you enter to win our contest, you could see who won. And thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. We appreciate you for doing so, and see you next video. Peace.